Hey everyone, Zach from Out There Vans in Grand Junction, Colorado. Today I want to walk you through how to use our Ford Transit dog platform. This dog platform is available through our Etsy page. There is a link in the description down below to find this product. We do also make a ProMaster specific dog platform currently and have a Sprinter model soon to come. This dog platform here is made up of 8 parts. There are 2 side supports. There are 5 cross supports, and there is 1 main topper. In terms of assembling this product, you'll want to start out with one of your side supports, and I like to thread in all 3 of my lower cross supports. Next, I will grab my other side support, and I will match it up and mate it together. While we're at this point, I do want to point out one end of this platform is taller than the other. The flooring in the Transit slopes up towards the front of the van, so this accounts for the slope of that floor. Next up, I've got 2 cross supports left. I will just slide these in these top slots. Now as I look at the top of my platform, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 slots that are ready to slide into the 6 keyholes of the top of my platform. I'll also point out with this platform, as we look at the top of this panel, there are a couple different indentations to it. These side indentations here are for bungee cords. If you'd like to bungee cord this down to make the extra secure platform in your van, we highly recommend that. We do not provide this kit with a bungee cord just because many vans have many different bases. They've changed a little bit throughout the years. Some people put in aftermarket swivel seats and they can change a little bit as they go down the line. I will also point out this is a nice snug fit as you press it down between the 2 seats. So it does do a great job of keeping it in place on its own. However, highly recommend adding in a bungee cord after the fact when you purchase the product. Additionally, in the back, there is a slight taper to the rear of this platform. That is where your seat belts will kind of sit within the spectrum of the seats. With that being said, the tapered side goes towards the taller side of your frame. And at this point, we will just simply set it on top and nest it into its keyholes. And now we just have to put it in place and you're good to go. I can tell you our dog Dandelion does not like riding around in our van unless she can see out the front windshield. So this makes a huge difference for her. We'd love to hear your thoughts on how your dog does riding in the van. And if you have firsthand experience with your dog platform and how it works for you. Thank you for watching this video. If you do want to see more projects and products coming out There Vans, please hit subscribe. And as always, please like this video and we'll catch you next time.